Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to discuss about the new chapter, symmetry. Okay, when we fold the figure from the line, each part will coincide with one another. This line is called line of symmetry. The line of symmetry is the imaginary line where you could fold the image and have both halves match exactly. Another name for reflection symmetry. One half is the reflection of the other half. Clear? Okay, line of symmetry. Shape has line symmetry when one half of it is the mirror image of other half. Look at the picture. Here, one half is same as other half. Clear? Symmetry exists all around us. In this chapter, line of symmetry is also known as mirror line and also known as reflection symmetry. Is a butterfly symmetrical? Yes, it is also symmetrical. There are many shapes with more than one line of symmetry. At the beach, there are a variety shells within the symmetry. Look at the picture. We draw a line, then we can find the line of symmetry. Under the sea, there are also many symmetrical objects such as crabs and starfish. Okay. Some symmetrical figures are given below. Line of symmetry is also known as mirror line. Animals that have line of symmetry. Here are a few more great examples of mirror image in the animal. Look at the picture. You can see. Okay. These masks have symmetry. This mask has have symmetry. This mask have a line of symmetry from the forehead to the chin. Our face also have symmetry from the forehead to chin. Clear? The human face also has line of symmetry in the same place from the forehead to chin. Reflection in water. If an object is reflected in water, it is considered to have line of symmetry along the water line. Line of symmetry is also known as mirror line. Some symmetrical figures are shown in figure. The Taj Mahal. This also has symmetry exists in architecture all around the world. The best known examples of is the Taj Mahal. It has also line of symmetry and it has also reflection. Then this photograph shows two lines of symmetry, one vertical, the other along the water line. Okay, clear? Next, we are going to see the figure. It is also has line of symmetry. The figure has a line of symmetry. This figure has no line of symmetry. Okay, the figure has no line of symmetry. It has also line of symmetry. For examples, we can find this has line of, it is symmetrical. No, it is not. What do you think a line of symmetry is? In this figure, do you see a line of symmetry? Yes. This figure also has line of symmetry. Do you see line of symmetry? No. Do you think it makes a difference where you draw a line? Let's look at some example. This line, this type line, then it has, this is a line of symmetry. When we draw a horizontal line, there is no symmetry. Okay. In second figure, there is horizontal line, then there is no line of symmetry. So, does it make a difference where you draw the line? Do you think a figure can have more than one line of symmetry? Let us see. There are many shapes which have more than one line of symmetry, that is multiple line of symmetry such as square, equilateral triangle, circle, etc. How many lines of symmetry can you see? Is two line of symmetry. How many line of symmetry can you see? Is 1, 2, 3 line of symmetry. An equilateral triangle has 3 line of symmetry. How many line of symmetry can you see in this figure? 1, 2, 3, corner side 3 and 4. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. Clear? In the alphabets, what capital letters have vertical symmetry? Yes, these letters have vertical symmetry. In the alphabets, what capital letters have horizontal symmetry? B, C, D, E, H, I, K, O, X have horizontal symmetry. In the alphabets, what capital letters have both vertical and horizontal symmetry? H, I, O, X has horizontal. Okay, students, complete the given figure by drawing the other half. Okay, in both pictures, when you draw a vertical line in the middle, you check whether the dotted line is a line of symmetry. Tick if yes and cross if no. Okay, check if the given figures are symmetric by drawing a line of symmetry. Please